friends, it's week 4. This is the Eagle Prompt. I wanted to try something a little more upbeat this week, so here it is. This is my song, Little Bird. Little bird, haven't you heard? You got a song, got a way with words, spreading those wings, healing broken things, one line at a time. I know those doubts, trying to figure it out, what a music life means, what it's all about. For some it's where the lost gets found, one line at a time. May not fly with the eagles, you give us something to believe in. For every rhyme there's a reason, one voice can change the world. Little bird, little bird, keep shining your heart. Life's a symphony, we're all playing our part, painting all the colors with our love and art, one day at a time. May not fly with the eagle, you give us something to believe in. For every rhyme there's a reason, one voice can change the world. Little bird, painting all the colors, lifting up each other. You may not fly with the eagle, you give us something to believe in. For every rhyme there's a reason, one voice can change the world. Little bird, keep on singing. Little bird. There it is. That's my encouragement to myself and to all of us to keep writing, keep putting good things out into the world. Love you guys. Have a great week.